Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can customize the screen timeout on your Samsung Galaxy S23. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to display and scroll down to screen timeout. Right now it's set to 10 minutes, but you can also say 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, and 5 minutes. Personally, 15 seconds and 30 seconds are a bit too short, and 5 minutes, 10 minutes are a bit too long for me. I see a bit of a safety issue right there, because if I leave my phone like unattended, just move it to the side, people could just like get to it. I don't like the idea of that. But normally you also just lock your phone, but still I see a bit of a safety issue there for me. But you can totally go ahead. It is set to 10 minutes right now for the purpose of the video, that the screen doesn't black out all the time. But we can set it to 15 seconds right now just to show you. We can go back and wait a little while, and now you see the screen dimmed a bit, and now it's locked itself. So if we want to go back to our phone, we just need to unlock our phone, and now we're back. So if you go to your settings again and go to display and then to screen timeout, you can set it there to anything else. 1 minute or 2 minutes is normally fine in like your day-to-day life. For me, it works pretty good, but you go ahead and choose whatever works best for your like daily routine, for your usage of your phone. If you choose something, you can go back and use your phone as normal, and then the screen will like black out after the time you just sat there. So that's how you customize your screen timeout on your Samsung Galaxy S23. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.